Attempt these repairs at your own risk. The reason for my videos is only to help people who are in similar situations as myself. If you want to fix your LG TV and have it up running perfectly, watch my video and this will help you resolve your situation free of charge. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.
Here he is. Morning.
Professor Chamberlain?
Sir?
Catherine Jukes, I'm the one who asked for this.
Morning, Professor. May I just sit there? Can I ask about this trace of organophosphate? How do you think it got into John's body?
Well, it was found in his liver, which suggests a low-level contamination.
So, what would it be, exactly?
We've not been able to identify what type of organophosphate this was. That's why we need to find the source. The most common exposures in rural areas.
My son did most of his running through fields. Do you think maybe...
No, that's possible. There's extensive use of legal and illegal herbicides, pesticides.
The press have said this could be a nerve agent.
Right. Given what we know about the sample, I think that's pretty much a headline looking for a story. Should we have a seat?
There you go, guys. If you've not got any lights, no tools, just a soldering iron, you want to get your TV back up and running, bypass the lights, hack the lights. There's 3 lights that went out on this set. Power supply will just flush these and you won't even notice when the screen's on once the LCD's back in. There we go, so that's how to hack it and get your LG TV back up and running, or your LED TV. And there we go, there's 3 lights hacked. The power supply will flush it equally and you can't even notice it. Quick way to get your TV back up and running if the sound's still there but there's no picture. I'm going to put this back together.
I put these somewhere safe for you. Hear me, Jack? Jack? Can you hear me? Stay with me.
Live football tomorrow to continue.